High-performance, cord-free vacuum cleaning. The all-new BISSELL AirRAM. AirRAM's fuel system delivers class-leading cleaning power to clean an entire home on a single charge with no power cord. Unlike other vacuum cleaners that waste energy, sucking dirt through long tubes, cylinders and cyclones, the BISSELL AirRAM's direct dirt-to-tray path technology means it's incredibly efficient. Forward inertia drive and 28-degree steering make the BISSELL AirRAM incredibly maneuverable. Lowest profile of any upright vacuum. AirRAM compresses dirt and fluff into bales. High-performance, cord-free vacuum cleaning. The all-new BISSELL AirRAM.